Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this particular question that has been extracted from the Examinations Council of Zambia School Certificate Exam. That is O-level mathematics. So we have this question and it reads as follows. Okay. So we are saying the diagram shows the sketch of a graph of y is equals to 3 minus 2x minus x squared passing through A, B, and C. The first question is asking us to say, find the coordinates of the points A and C. This is the point A and C. These are the points. So now what do we need to know here? So what we are supposed to know is, when you look at this, this is y is equals to 3 minus 2x minus x squared here. All right, so what are we saying? When you look at these points, the 2 points x, A and C, what is the value or what is the coordinate of y here? What is the coordinate of y? You will discover that the y coordinate on these points, it is a 0. It is a 0. So given that, it means we need to write this equation equating it to 0. So we'll have 3 minus 2x minus x squared is equals to 0. Then now we have to solve this as a quadratic equation. We need to solve this as a quadratic equation. How do we do that? We could use a number of formulas, but maybe let's try factorization for now. So for factorization, you know that we may need the product, which we always get by saying we multiply 3 by the coefficient of the variable that is squared, or by the coefficient of x squared here, which will be -1. So 3, that is kind of a constant here, multiplied by -1, we're going to get -3. That is our product. All right, that is going to be our product. Then when it comes to our sum is -2. We just get the coefficient of the variable that is not squared there. So that is -2. Then what are the factors? The factors of what? Of -3. We need the factors of -3. So it will be -3, 1. When we multiply these, they will give us -3. But when we add them, they'll give us -2. Therefore, we go further and say now plus x minus x squared is equals to 0. So I have expanded this factor. You expand this factor and the sum. You expand the sum using the 2 factors. Okay? You expand the sum using the 2 factors, which is what I've just done here. Then now you factorize this using the grouping terms. Using the grouping terms, so meaning the first 2 you factorize them together. So that will be 3, 1 minus x. Then this side, what is it that is common? It will be x, then 1 minus x is equals to 0. All right? And then you know what this means. We are going to have another factor which will be born as in 3 plus x here. Then we get this one which is common and equate it to 0. Once we have done this now, we need to equate each of these factors to 0. So we have 3 plus x is equals to 0, or 1 minus x is equals to 0. So the first one, what is it going to become? This is going to become x is equals to -3. All right. And then the second one, when you work it out, you will discover that it will be x is equals to what? 1. X is equals to 1. That is what so these are the values that we want here for our answers. These are the values that we need here for our answers. These. Okay. Now, the code. the coordinates of the turning point. So meaning for A, the coordinates of A here will be -3, comma, 0. The coordinates for C will be 1, comma, 0. These are the coordinates here. Find the coordinates of the points because we want the points. So a point has got an X and Y coordinate. So that is what we are going to get. I thank you very much. If you like what we've done here, please don't forget to share and subscribe. For those of you that are in Zambia and you may need individualized lessons at a fee, we have the numbers that you can call us on. We have this one. This is mine. Or you can actually do a text on WhatsApp. There is another one for my colleague, Mr. Pire. We work together. Yeah, this is 76. These are the numbers that you can reach us on. Thank you very much.